Check it out, YouTube. We're getting ready to walk this crane on the barge. Got a lot of dirt work to do.
Where's that? Oh, that field behind us?
Behind those eyes, I'm gonna see one down there. I'm gonna ride the race. They got that race closed. There ain't gonna be nobody on there.
You gonna walk down there? What you gonna do when the damn game warden's waiting on you to?
Bridge.
Not at the bridge, up at the other side. Where they got it shut down. You come and walk back, hell, there ain't nowhere else to go.
Oh, fuck.
Especially gonna look stupid if you come walk up there dragging a deer. There's no getting away.
If I kill one, I'll walk my ass all the way back.
Man, look.
Grab my four-wheeler.
You ain't gotta do all that shit. Just go buy you a brand new truck. Let the insurance lapse. A deer jump right out in front of you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it happens every time.
As soon as the insurance goes.
Hell yeah. All right.
You going spotlight tonight for real?
They gonna throw all this dirt down there between the barge and the bank. We're gonna set them ramps on there. Gonna build a pad right here. That way we'll put the hammer and everything on the barge. Monday, we'll come back Monday. We'll walk this thing on there. Drive another bent, like, I don't know if you can see it up in there, but build another cap, set some more girders. Eventually there'll be a bridge across here. Talk to y'all later.